Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll show you guys 4 variations for 6 step. But like always, before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video from my channel, you will get notified. Okay, now without any further ado, let's start. Since this is a variation for 6 step, we're gonna start all the move from push-up positions. Now the very first one is pretty simple, okay? Again, we're gonna start from the push-up. Now we're gonna just do the normal 6 step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the part, okay? Now we're gonna go to the 5th step. What you want to do in the 5th step is you're gonna use your left leg going to the side, and your right leg is gonna open up at the same time. It looks something like this. All right, one more time. This is the 4th step. Going to the 5th step, open. Okay, from here we're gonna end it, and we're gonna go back to the push-up positions again. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for the second variations, start from push-up positions again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from this part here, we're gonna kick our left leg out. At the same time, we're gonna move our right leg to the right side. Kick and move, all right? Now we're gonna end it. For the last step, your left leg here is gonna come in, and this is the 6th step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, continue. Kick in. Moving on to the third variations. For these variations here, I already did the tutorial before. I'm just going to refresh it. It's called upper knee 6 step. So start from here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4th step. Your right gonna swing, instead hook. You're gonna hook up here, or put your right foot on top of your left knee. Okay, like this. Cool. So up, back, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now last variations, very similar with the upper knee 6 step, but instead going to back, we're gonna do the variations when I go into the 5th step. Again, push-up positions. 1, 2, 3. All right, 4. We're not going to the back. Now we're gonna reverse the move. You're gonna move your right foot to the right side. So your right foot is gonna leading your body to the right. Okay, like this. From here, your right foot is gonna go to the back, which is to the push-up positions again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go, the 4 variations for 6 step. Pretty simple, pretty basic. As long as you can do the normal 6 step, all these variations won't be a problem for you, okay? That's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.